Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today our students of 3rd year BME are going to perform a design thinking activity for biomedical signal processing. The title is FIR Filter Design using windowing techniques for noise removal. Shall we start?
So, hello all, we the students from Biomedical Engineering Department. Today this activity is fully based on the design thinking concept. So, in biomedical engineering, signals such as ECG, EEG and EMG, we have the issue of noises over there. So, to analyze these signals for the biomedical engineering signal processing, we'll be having a problem called spectral leakage when we analyze through Fourier transform. So to overcome this, we should use window functions. There are many window functions used. So over that, the widely used window functions are of Hamming and Hanning window. This will be helps in the biomedical signal processing to reduce the leakage of the signals and reduce the noise to give the diagnosis in better way. So today in MATLAB, we are going to see the FIR filter for Hamming and Hanning window.
Yeah, why we use this windowing method is to remove or reduce the spectral leakage occur on the signal. How it works when multiplying the signal with the signal with an FFT, the amplitude will be reduced at the edge of the signal and promotes the signal. When FFT is applied, the Fourier transform in leakage current will be reduced.
So it is used in speech processing, image processing and biomedical signal analysis like ECG, EMG and EEG. So the advantages of Hamming window is that we'll be having a reduction of spectral leakages and sharper frequency and finer resolution, and we'll be having smoother lobes and we having smoother edges. So the disadvantages are main lobes are wider and it is not suitable for sharp frequency distinctions, and it is high in cost when compared to Hanning window.
Okay, after seeing Hamming window, we will go on with Hanning window. Like Hanning window is something which clears the distortion in the sine waveform. Like for example, if we take these EEG signals and the ECG signals have been taken, but the noises in it has to be removed. So in that process, we have to remove it. We use Hanning windows and Hamming windows. These are the two major techniques which are being used widely for now. And doctors prefer these Hamming and Hanning windows to clear all those. Like for example, you take ECG, the heart muscles will give some distortions, or the nerves, the blood vessels, they'll give some distortions. So those will be included with the signals which have been collected. And this can create a big impact to it, right? So we won't get a pure signal or analyze if any abnormalities have been found in it. And then if you take EEG signals, the brain signals, there are plenty of nerves which have been connected to the brain, right? So those distortions can be also collected. We need a particular signal, so we have to remove the other signals which have been given. So for that, widely used Hanning window. So doctors, when they need any kind of correction or any deep disease finding or any kind of diagnosis and all, they use these Hanning windows. So the noise reduction is the main problem, and the distortion which has been created is the second problem. So to reduce these, we are bringing some ideas of using MATLAB.
The idea is applied to Hanning window, which is cosine based function, and it smoothly taps discontinuations and signal both ends, and it helps to minimizing leakages and make the frequency spectrum clearer for analysis. Analyzing the Hanning window on ECG signal to provide smoother frequency output, make heart rhythm clearer. In EEG signal, it helps to identify periodic smoother frequencies. Combines like alpha and beta waves
without much handling the output of handling windows give balanced results. Reducing leakages while keeping the overall shape of the biomedical layer.
Okay, now we will see about how the MATLAB code runs and how the waveforms are being selected by clearing all the distortions. Here, what are the parameters used in Hamming window and Hamming window? Or sampling frequency, which is 100,000, and cutoff frequency, which is 100, and the filter order is 50. The normalized, how to find a cutoff normalized cutoff frequency is Wn is equal to Fc bar Fs divided by 2, and for identify an ideal impulse response for low pass filter is n is equal to 0 and 1, and also doing alpha and HD operations also. After handling with division by 0 at the center, and after that we generated windows for that both Hamming and Handling window, and applying those windows on HD transfer function. After that the frequency response will be calculated for both windows, and the generator noise signal for which is T is equal to these terms will be applied, and also after that we identify the signal, then filter the noises which occur in this both windows, and plot all the figure in the same subplots. So later we see about the frequency response, that is how the frequency will be like plotted. The plotting will be the subplots to 1 and 1. So in likewise they'll have the plot namings. This is for handling window and Hamming window. The first plot is for the handling window and the second plot is for the Hamming window. Then the grids which are to be on, because we need to compare them with the normal ones. So then we label them with X and Y with frequency and magnitude. Then the title is given. Same thing is for done for the time domain signal subject, which is like the subplots are 2, 1 and 2. Then the plots are being done, and the labelings are done with X and Y. The title is given. So now we can run this program. So this is how we get FIR filter frequency response for the handling and Hamming window. This is the signal filtering using FIR filter. Like this signal is being turned to this one. This is the frequency and magnitude comparison, and this will be the time and the amplitude comparison. In this we'll be able to see two different waveforms. The ones which are with dotted lines are the Hamming window, and the ones with the straight line is the Handling window. Then we have the signal filtering using FIR filter. There will be 3 waveforms in this, which is first one is noisy signals, which are continuous in waveforms. With little more gaps we have filter with handling windows, and with dotted lines we have Hamming window, which these signals are being converted.
So now I will conclude the study. From this study we have see about Hamming window and Handling window. Both signals plays vital role in biomedical signal processing, and the Hamming window offers reduces signals, and Handling window offers smoothing tapering signals, and both supports doctors and engineers for improve patient care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.